Welcome to today's video, educators. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of life processes. Everything around us can be classified as either living or non-living. But how do we determine whether something is alive? A running dog, a cow chewing cud, or a person speaking loudly? We can see movement, so we know they're alive. But what about plants? They don't move like animals, yet they grow over time, so they are also living. Even when we don't see visible movement, there are molecular movements happening inside all living things. To stay alive, every organism must perform certain processes. These are called life processes. First up, nutrition, how organisms get their food. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain food and convert it into energy. There are two main types. Autotrophic nutrition, where organisms prepare their own food. Green plants, for example, use photosynthesis to make food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Then we have heterotrophic nutrition, where organisms depend on plants or other animals for food. Examples include humans, animals, fungi, and bacteria. Let's talk about photosynthesis, the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants need carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll to make food. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, converting light energy into chemical energy. Carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates, like glucose. Fun fact, desert plants store CO2 at night and use it during the day for photosynthesis. Next, let's look at heterotrophic nutrition, how animals eat. Organisms that can't make their own food depend on other sources. They obtain food in various ways. Holozoic nutrition, where whole food is consumed, like in humans and amoebas. Saprotrophic nutrition, feeding on dead matter like fungi. And parasitic nutrition, where organisms live inside or on another organism and take nutrients like tapeworms and cuscuta. How do simple organisms eat? Take the amoeba, a single-celled organism. It uses pseudopodia, or false feet, to capture food and form a food vacuole where digestion occurs. Nutrients are absorbed and waste is expelled. Or the paramecium, which uses cilia to sweep food into its oral groove and also forms a food vacuole for digestion. Waste is expelled through an anal pore. Now let's talk about the human digestive system. It breaks down food into smaller parts so the body can absorb nutrients. The pathway of digestion includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Each part plays a vital role, from chewing and mixing food with saliva to absorbing nutrients and expelling waste. Enzymes like salivary amylase, pepsin, bile, and pancreatic enzymes are crucial as they speed up digestion without being used up, hence called biocatalysts. Respiration is next, how organisms release energy. Respiration is the process of breaking down glucose to release energy, known as ATP. There are two types: aerobic respiration, which uses oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, which happens without oxygen. The circulatory system transports nutrients. The heart pumps blood through arteries, veins, and capillaries, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach cells. Humans have double circulation, with pulmonary circulation between the heart and lungs, and systemic circulation to the rest of the body. In plants, water and food move through xylem and phloem, respectively. Xylem transports water from roots to leaves using transpiration pull, while phloem moves food from leaves to other parts using active transport. Lastly, excretion, removing waste. Humans use their kidneys to filter blood and form urine, which flows through ureters to the urinary bladder and out through the urethra. Fun fact, if kidneys fail, a patient may need dialysis to remove waste artificially. Plants excrete oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excess water through stomata and store resins and gums in dead cells. To wrap it up, life processes include nutrition, respiration, circulation, and excretion. Plants make food using photosynthesis, while animals rely on other organisms. The digestive system breaks food into nutrients, respiration releases energy, blood circulation transports essentials, and waste is removed through excretion. That's it for today's lesson. Hope this explanation helps you understand the chapter clearly. Let me know if you have any questions.